Namaskar. A hearty and warm good morning to everyone present over here. May I now seek the permission of my Lord, Honorable Justice Chakravarti Saran Singh, Chief Justice of High Court Odisha, to kindly declare the function as open.
Yes, declared open.
The function is declared open. Honorable Justice Chakravarti Saran Singh, Chief Justice of High Court Odisha, Honorable Judges of the High Court of Odisha, esteemed district judges, the judicial officers who have joined us in this event in virtual mode, respected President, Secretary, other honored members of the Bar Association of Bargarh, Bolangir, Bhadrak, who are also present in this august occasion. Esteemed officers of the registry, ladies and gentlemen, access to justice is the basic principle of a rule of law. In the absence of access to justice, people are unable to have their voice heard. The right to justice includes a right to affordable and speedy justice. Increasing access to justice helps reduce inequality. Establishment of 4 new courts, that is the Court of Additional Distant Session Judge-cum-Special Judge Vigilance at Bargarh, Civil Judge Junior cum-JMFC Bijepur in the District of Bargarh, Gram Nyayalaya Act Dhamnagar in the District of Bhadrak, and Civil Judge Junior cum-JMFC Tusra in the District of Bolangir will not only provide access to justice at affordable price, but also will help provide justice at the doorstep. On this auspicious occasion, we feel honored and gratified to have with us Honorable Justice Chakravarti Saran Singh, Chief Justice of High Court of Odisha, whose gracious presence and lustre and elegance to this great assembly. It is Lordship's pioneering guidance and relentless endeavor that have made us possible for us to succeed in every aspect of justice delivery system. Under his Lordship's able stewardship, we are able to scale new heights. We cordially welcome his Lordship on this auspicious occasion. I also heartily welcome the honored judges of this court for their gracious presence on this historic occasion, which will encourage us in our pursuit of delivering justice at the doorstep. I take this opportunity to welcome the respected district judges and the judicial officers, members of the registry, President and Secretary of the Bar Associations, learned members of the Bar, and other dignitaries to this resplendent occasion. May I now humbly request the Honorable Justice Chakravarti Saran Singh, Chief Justice High Court of Odisha, to inaugurate 4 new courts, that is the Court of Additional Distant Session Judge, cum-Special Judge Vigilance at Bargarh, Civil Judge Junior cum-JMFC Bijepur in the District of Bargarh, Gram Nyayalaya Act Dhamnagar in the District of Bhadrak, Civil Judge Junior cum-JMFC Tusra in the District of Bolangir. My Lord. May I now request Dr. Jiban Jyoti Rath, Registered Administration, High Court of Odisha, to kindly read out the notification of the concerned new courts.
Namaste. Good morning to all. Now, I am going to read out the notifications of the 4 new courts. First, I am reading out the notification with regard to establishment of the Court of Additional District Judge cum-Special Judge Vigilance, Bargarh. Government of Odisha, Law Department, notification dated Bhubaneswar, the 22nd July of 2024, number 10792/L, in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 3 and Subsection 1 of Section 9, read with Section 10 of the Odisha Civil Codes Act 1984, Odisha Act 18 of 1984, and all of the powers under the said Act, enabling the state government in this regard, and Subsection 1 of Section 8 of the Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Sanhita 2023-45 of 2023, and on the recommendation of and in consultation with the High Court of Odisha, the state government do hereby establish a Court of Additional District and Sessions Judge at Bargarh in addition to the existing number of such courts in the Judicial of Bargarh, with effect from the date the said court functions with the local limits of jurisdiction coextensive with the local limits of jurisdiction of the Revenue District of Bargarh, and fix the place of sitting of the said court at Bargarh by order of the Governor, Principal Secretary to Government. Government of Odisha, Law Department, notification dated Bhubaneswar, the 22nd July 2024, number 10813/L, in exercise of the powers conferred by Subsection 1 of Section 3 of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, 49 of 1988, the state government do hereby appoint the additional district and sessions judge of the court established under the notification of the Government of Odisha in the Law Department number 10792/L, dated 22nd July 2024, in the Judicial and Sessions Division of Bargarh as the Special Judge Bargarh, to try all offences triable by a special judge under Section 4 of the said Act committed in the Revenue District of Bargarh and investigated by the State Vigilance Organization. Notification number 59771/L, dated 25th November 1994, issued by the Government of Odisha in the Law Department, stands modified accordingly by order of the Governor, Principal Secretary to Government. Now, I am reading out the notification with regard to establishment of the Court of Civil Judge Junior Division cum Judicial Magistrate First Class at Bijepur in the District of Bargarh. Government of Odisha, Law Department, notification Bhubaneswar, dated the 28th July 2018, number 8213/L, in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 3 and Subsection 1 of Section 9, read with Section 10 of the Odisha Civil Codes Act 1984, Odisha Act 18 of 1984, the state government, in consultation with the High Court of Odisha, do hereby establish a Court of Civil Judge Junior Division at Bijepur in addition to the existing number of such courts in the Judicial of Bargarh, with effect from the date the said court functions with the local limits of jurisdiction coextensive with the local limits of jurisdiction of the Revenue Tahsil of Bijepur, and fix the place of sitting of the said court at Bijepur. All other courts of Civil Judge Junior Division exercising jurisdiction over different areas of the Revenue Tahsil of Bijepur shall cease to exercise jurisdiction over such areas from the date on which the proposed court is made functional, by order of the Governor, Principal Secretary to Government. Now, I am reading out the notification with regard to establishment of the Gram Nyayalaya at Dhamnagar in the District of Bhadrak. Government of Odisha, Law Department, notification dated Bhubaneswar, 28th day of March 2012. Number 3323. In exercise of the powers conferred by subsection 1 and 2 of section 3, read with section 4 of the Gram Nyayalaya Act 2008, number 4 of 2009, the state government, in consultation with the High Court of Odisha, do hereby establish a Gram Nyayalaya for Dhamnagar Panchayat Samiti in the District of Bhadrak with effect from the date the said court functions. The Gram Nyayalaya so established shall have territorial jurisdiction over the local limits coextensive with the local limits of jurisdiction of Dhamnagar Panchayat Samiti, and the headquarters of which shall be located at Dhamnagar, and it shall exercise both civil and criminal jurisdiction in the manner and to the extent provided under the said act, by order of the Governor, Principal Secretary to Government. Lastly, I am reading out the notification with regard to establishment of the Court of Civil Judge Junior Division, Judicial Magistrate First Class at Dusra in the District of Bolangir. Government of Odisha, Law Department, notification, Bhubaneswar, dated the 7th day of July 2023, number 12183/L. In exercise of the powers conferred by section 3 and subsection 1 of section 9, read with section 10 of the Odisha Civil Codes Act 1984, Odisha Act 18 of 1984, the state government, in consultation with the High Court of Odisha, do hereby establish a Court of Civil Judge Junior Division at Dusra in addition to the existing number of such courts in the Judgeship of Bolangir with effect from the date the said court functions with the local limits of jurisdiction coextensive with the local limits of jurisdiction of the Revenue Tahsil of Dusra, and fix the place of sitting of the said court at Dusra. All other courts of Civil Judge Junior Division exercising jurisdiction over different areas of the Revenue Tahsil of Dusra shall cease to exercise jurisdiction over such areas from the date on which the said court is made functional, by order of the Governor, Principal Secretary to Government. Namaste to all.
Thank you, Madam. May I now request Honorable Justice Chittaranjan Das, Judge, High Court of Odisha, Administrative Judge of the Bargarh Judicial, to kindly address the August Assemblies.
Thank you, President. A very good morning and namaskar, everyone. My Lord, Honorable Justice Chakravarti Saran Singh, the Chief Justice, High Court of Odisha, my esteemed sister and brother judges of this court, my dear district judges and judicial officers across the state, the President, Secretary, and other office bearers of the Bar Association, senior and young members of the Bar, respected government officials, other dignitaries present in the inaugural function, members of the print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. I am deeply honored to be amidst you all today on this significant occasion of inauguration of the JMFC court at Bijepur and the additional district and sessions judge cum-special judge vigilance at Bargarh. This event marks a pivotal moment in our ongoing commitment to enhance the justice delivery system and bringing justice closer to the people of our region, addressing the laudable slogan that is justice at the doorstep. Though we had initially hoped for a physical inauguration ceremony of the courts both at Bijepur and at Bargarh, in presence of Hon'ble the Chief Justice, who had also given his kind consent, and I had seen the enthusiasm of the bar as well as the judicial officers to welcome Hon'ble the Chief Justice, but for the reasons beyond control have necessitated a more modest celebration today. However, I believe that the inauguration through virtual mode does not diminish the importance or impact of the purpose of opening the new courts. Indeed, today's focus on functionality over form underscores our dedication to serve the need of the people, prioritizing their access to justice above all. The establishment of JMFC court at Bijepur and the Court of Special Judge Vigilance at Bargarh has been a long anticipated and much needed development. These courts will play a crucial role in addressing the legal needs of our communities, offering a more accessible, efficient, and effective judicial process. Their presence will undoubtedly improve the administration of justice, ensuring that it is delivered in a timely manner and in a manner that is fair and equitable. The inauguration of the two courts at Bijepur and Bargarh, respectively, adds another feather to the district judiciary of Bargarh, thereby enhancing rule of law and supporting the rights of all the individuals of the area. To the people of Bijepur and Bargarh, I hope that these new courts serve them as pillars of justice and ensure that the rights of the people of the area are protected and their voices are heard and justice is administered fairly and without delay. I would like to take this occasion as an opportunity to congratulate the people of Bijepur and Bargarh, the members of the bar, and all the stakeholders, and extend my heartfelt gratitude to all those who have contributed in making this possible. I also deeply appreciate the efforts taken by District Judge and the judicial officers, the administrative staff, and all others who have worked tirelessly to bring these projects to action. As you inaugurate these new courts today, let us remember that the justice is the cornerstone of a thriving society. These institutions represent our commitment to fairness and integrity. I wish that the new incumbents, Madam Mahapatra and Mr. Padhi, who have been posted to both these newly inaugurated courts, would work hard and dedicate themselves for the cause of the people of the area, thereby fulfilling the purpose of establishment of the courts. With each case they handle, they will restore faith, resolve dispute, and bring clarity to the seekers. May in every courtroom we find the promise of a better tomorrow, where justice is not a distant ideal, but a daily reality for all. May justice always prevail. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you, my lord, for your wonderful words of erudition and encouragement. May I now humbly request Honorable Justice Sashikanta Mishra, Judge, High Court of Odisha, and Administrative Judge of Bhadrak Judgeship to kindly address the august gathering. My lord.
And good morning to all. Honorable Sri Justice Chakradhari Saran Singh, the Chief Justice of the High Court of Odisha, Honorable Judges of the Court present here, and those who have joined online, learned District Judges of Bargarh, Bhadrak, and Bolangir, learned Judicial Officers of the three Judgeships, esteemed government officers and other dignitaries present online, esteemed office bearers and members of bar associations of the three Judgeships, learned Registrar General and other officers of the registry, and all others who may have joined online, ladies and gentlemen. Very recently, the Supreme Court, in course of hearing a case relating to the establishment of Gram Nyayalayas, observed, and I quote, "Sooner these Nyayalayas are established, it is better for access to justice," unquote. I think there are no better words than these to describe the intent behind establishment of Gram Nyayalayas in our country. It is a matter of great pride and satisfaction that today, the 21st Gram Nyayalaya of our state has been inaugurated at Dhamnagar in Bhadrak district. First of all, I congratulate the people of Dhamnagar for this. I'm sure this forum will cater to the needs of the 19,000 odd population in good measure by providing speedy and inexpensive justice at their doorsteps. I also congratulate Shri Vibhu Prasad Naik, the Gram Nyaya Adhikari of the newly inaugurated Nyayalaya, and I'm sure he will strive hard to fulfill the aspirations of the litigant public of the area. Gram Nyayalaya is akin to Panchayat system of justice dispensation which was in vogue in the ancient days. We have no doubt that with the establishment of the Nyayalayas, resolution of both civil and criminal matters will be quicker and inexpensive. Bhadrak Judgeship has 96,987 cases as on 31st August 2024, of which 26,522 are civil cases and 70,465 are criminal cases. In the case quoted by me earlier, the Supreme Court also observed, and I quote, "In our view, establishment of more Gram Nyayalayas would, apart from providing providing access to justice at affordable price and providing justice at doorsteps, also declog the huge pendency of matters before the trial courts." Unquote. I'm sure the new Gram Nyayalaya at Dhamnagar shall greatly help in decongesting the caseload in the judgeship. I once again congratulate the people of Dhamnagar and earnestly request them to extend their wholehearted support for making the Gram Nyayalaya successful in accomplishing the task of providing justice at the doorstep and fulfill the legitimate aspirations of the public. I wish the presiding officer, support staff, and every other stakeholder all success. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord, for your wonderful words of wisdom and inspiration. May I now request Honorable Miss Justice Savitri Rathod, Judge High Court of Odisha, Administrative Judge of Bolangir, to kindly address the August gathering.
Honorable Chief Justice, Shri Chakradhari Sharan Singh, my esteemed brothers, members of the registry, Dr. Pavitra Mohan Samal, the District Judge of Bolangir, Mr. Sangram Kumar Patnaik, the District Judge of Bargarh, Ms. Luna Mahanti, the District Judge of Bargarh, okay, Mr. Sangram Kumar Patnaik, District Judge of Bhadrak. All right, I'm sorry. And other judicial officers present, the 4 presiding officers of the new courts, district magistrates, and the superintendents of police of the 3 districts, other government officers, president and secretaries of the bar associations, all the lawyers present, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar and a very good morning to all of you. It is an important day today, which marks the beginning of a new era in the justice delivery system, not only within the districts of Bolangir, Bargarh, and Bhadrak, but also for the entire state of Odisha. I am grateful and honored for being part of this function. On this momentous occasion of inauguration of the 4 new courts, I extend my heartiest congratulations and best wishes to the people of Odisha. Judicial notice is being taken of the changing needs of the society, for which a number of courts are being opened regularly in the state so that there can be expeditious dispensation of justice. By opening new courts, the load in the existing courts are distributed, which results in the expeditious disposal of cases. The state government has been extending its cooperation in opening of new courts, which is appreciated by us. Tusra in the district of Bolangir, which is at a distance of about 30 kilometers away from the headquarters of Bolangir, and the villages covered under Tusra Tahsil are mostly inhabited by the underprivileged and members of the reserved community. Tusra has only 1 police station and has a large number of cases for which the local inhabitants were facing a lot of problem in attending court cases. More than 2,000 cases, which include civil and criminal cases relating to the territorial jurisdiction of the Tusra Tahsil are pending. Mr. Habibur Rahman Siddiqui, we are confident that you will discharge your duties with sincerity and integrity. Your district judge, Dr. Samal, and all of us here are there to support and guide you. I wish you all the best. And I also extend my best wishes to the other 3 presiding officers of the new courts. Since 1987, there was a long cherished hope and aspiration of the people of Tusra for establishment of the court of the civil judge, junior division, cum-JFC in Tusra. The demand has been fulfilled today, reaffirming the faith of the people in the justice delivery system. This could not have happened without the intervention of our Honorable Chief Justice. We are indebted to him for ensuring that these courts are opened and for sparing time from his busy schedule to inaugurate these 4 courts. We look forward to his inaugural address, which will serve as a source of inspiration for the young officers who have been posted in these 4 courts. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, madam, for your insightful words. May I now humbly request Honorable Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh, Chief Justice, High Court of Odisha, to deliver the inaugural address. My lord, please.
Who's standing? They are all standing, sir. Can I request the judicial officers who have been appointed to please sit in their respective chairs in the courtroom?
Okay, one, another three.
Should I begin?
Sir, please.
Good to hear. Other.
Acha. Oh, yeah, at the sitting.
Sir,
Very good morning to all of you. My esteemed sister and brother judges. Am I audible?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, green light and sound, sir.
The Registrar General, the district judges of different judgeships, the office bearers of the Advocates Association of all the district justices who have joined, all judicial officers, ladies and gentlemen. To begin with, I must tender my apologies not only to the members of the bar, of the bar associations of the three districts where the courts have been inaugurated. It was my assurance given to them that I'll visit. I had assured the respective administrative judges also that I'll visit go there and physically inaugurate the courtrooms, the courts. I assure you that in future I'll visit and I'll interact with you. It is not that I did not come up to your expectations by not being there. I am also missing it hugely because I have missed the opportunity to interact with you, the members of the bar and all the judicial officers. I lost the opportunity this time to see various parts of the state of Odisha. As a matter of fact, there was tremendous pressure on me, not only by the members of the bar, but also by the respective administrative judges that I should go and physically inaugurate. I was finding it, you can say, impossible because of my engagements on Saturdays and Sundays when we can get time to go out of headquarters of Cuttack. And therefore, I am of the firm view that any work or any functioning should not wait for inauguration. And with that idea, I decided that let it be done through online mode. You know, in fact, if Google is to be believed, today I have covered 723 kilometers. Tusra is 332 kilometers. Bijepur is 302 and Dhamnagar is 99. So this technology has made us possible to inaugurate all the courts in one go. The significance of courts, particularly Gram Nyayalaya, has been lucidly explained by the Honorable Inspecting Judge, Administrative Judges. We in Bihar call it Inspecting Judges, therefore this habit, habit die hard. The Administrative Judges have explained the importance of having these courts. I as the Chief Justice, being the leader of the judiciary of the state, has very, you may say, minimum expectation at least that you discharge your duties be punctual, be consistent, be judicious, conduct yourself. You have to distinguish yourself from the other members of the society because you are different. Your functioning is different from any other wing of the governance. This you will have to, the judicial officers will have to realize. In the recent past, in fact, I am very happy with the way you have performed. I have been seeing your performance. Particularly very recently, we had a wonderful performance in disposal of cases in Lok Adalat under the leadership of Brother Arindam Sinha. You performed so well. I congratulate all the district judges who are the chairpersons of District Legal Service Authority, the Secretary Legal Service Authority. I am using this this forum as an opportunity to explain, to extend my congratulations to those who are associated with Legal Service Authority. With the same zeal, you have to perform your judicial functions. I can assure, in fact, I want to meet you personally, all the judicial officers, the members of the bar, and if possible, some of the litigants or non-litigants who are going to be benefited by today's inauguration and even otherwise. Yesterday, I was told by the Registrar Administration that DG Vigilance wanted to join this inaugural function. He was very happy that, and for him, he said that it's a very important thing that special court is going to be inaugurated. Inauguration occasion is very important. It's momentous, you may say, but inauguration is a formality also. So from today, you are going to begin, and you are going to establish, convince the people let the people know, let the people have the satisfaction that the inauguration was not a mere inauguration, or the existence of building or the existence of court is not mere existence. Because of these courts, the people get a real benefit, which now access to justice and speedy justice, these have become very hackneyed expressions, but yes, that is very that has to be kept in mind always by all the stakeholders. I have been told the members of the district administration and officers of the state are also present. I hope that these courts will help a lot in dealing with the cases. I'm not using the expression disposal of the cases, because we don't have to dispose of the cases, merely dispose of the cases. We have to adjudicate them. We don't have to have the statistics of disposal only, but if a litigant comes to you, he must return with a satisfaction that the issues which he had raised and the problems which he was facing, rightly or wrongly, that have been addressed in accordance with law. With these words, I congratulate the not only litigants, the inhabitants of the area where these courts, for which these courts have been inaugurated, the members of the bar, the judicial officers, all the officers of the district administration, state government. Thank you. Thank you so much. But with the assurance that I'll soon visit your places. So I failed to come this time, but later I'll surely come. My next visit is going to be at Keonjhar. So I'll visit Keonjhar soon. And thereafter, I'll visit these places. These three districts are on the topmost priority for me, because I missed to inaugurate missed to be there physically. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my lord, for lots of words of encouragement and wisdom. We are moving towards the end of this program. Now, may I request Shri Pradyumna Nayak, Registrar of Vigilance, to propose the vote of thanks and to seek the permission of the Honorable Chair to declare the event closed.
Namaskar. It is my distinct honor and privilege to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice and the esteemed judges of this court. Honorable Chief Justice Shri Chakradhari Saran Singh, by his guidance, leadership, commitment to the principle of justice, has always been a beacon for all of us. Today's event is another reflection of His Lordship's dedication for justice at doorstep. The opening of the 4 new courts today is another milestone in this regard. My Lord, we are really grateful to you being the source of inspiration. We express our gratitude to the Honorable Miss Justice Savitri Ratto, the Administrative Judge of Bolangir Judgeship, Honorable Chief Justice Sashikanta Mishra, Administrative Judge of Bhadrak Judgeship, Honorable Chief Justice Chittaranjan Judge, Administrative Judge of Bargarh Judgeship, for having spared their valuable time and spoken on this occasion. We express our gratitude to all the honorable judges of this court who have attended today's function despite their busy schedule. Their Lordship's kind presence really encouraging us and made this event special. The honorable judges who could not be present today have extended warm wishes for this event, and we are also grateful to their lordship. We are grateful to the district judge and judicial officers of Bolangir, Bargarh, Bhadrak Judicial having been present through virtual mode. We are also grateful to the president, secretary and office bearer and the bar members of Bolangir, Bargarh, Bhadrak, Dhamnagar, Bijepur, Tusra for attending the today's event. We are also grateful to the other judicial officers who have attended through virtual mode. We thank the officers of local administration of Bolangir, Bargarh, Bhadrak district for their support. We are also thankful to other government officials who have joined virtually. We are thankful to Someshwar, the CPC and his technical team for having made today's function possible by technical support. We thank the court staff and others who have contributed for the function. We are also thankful to the media person for carrying this message to the general public. May now I seek the permission of the chair to declare the function as closed. This function is closed. Namaskar.